Hello and welcome to What to Play Card Games for Kids. In this video, I will introduce 7 different card games that are easy to learn and can be enjoyed by you and the kids in your life. Card games can teach kids a number of useful skills, including how to follow directions, take turns, strategize, communicate, and much more. This video will just give a brief breakdown of each of the card games. You can find the full video tutorial for all the card games mentioned in the Card Games for Kids playlist linked to in this video's description. The playlist also has additional card games for kids that you can learn and enjoy. First up is the draw and discard game Golf. The object of this game is to score the lowest amount of points throughout the game. Points are kept low by matching cards within a column or keeping unmatched cards low in value. This game will help kids begin to think about strategy. Next up is the QUARTET card game Go Fish. The object of this game is to get the most 4-of-a-kinds as possible throughout gameplay. Players will search for needed cards by asking other players for certain cards. This game will help kids with number recognition and counting. Next up is the adding style card game 99. The objective of this game is to avoid playing a card into the middle that causes the running total to go over 99. This game is great for addition and subtraction skills. Crazy Eights is a matching style card game. The object of this game is to be the first player to get rid of all their cards. Cards are played into the middle by matching the suit or the rank of the previous card, making this game great for developing matching skills. Kings in the Corner is a layout style card game. The object of this game is to be the first player to get rid of all their cards. Players will play cards into the middle that are one number lower and the opposite color of the current cards in the layout. This game is great for pattern recognition. Garbage is a competitive patience card game. The object of this game is to be the first player to line up your cards in a sequence starting with ace. This is a great introductory card game for kids to start seeing the sequence of numbers. James Bond is a more advanced competitive patience card game. The object of this game is to get all the stacks that have been dealt in front of you into stacks of 4-of-a-kind. This game is played at a fast pace, taking the matching skill to the next level. I hope one or more of these games has captured your interest and you're excited to gather together with the kids in your life and teach them some useful skills. Don't forget to model what healthy competition looks like and how to win or lose gracefully. Thanks for watching.